raised the bar. Never first at the finish, but here I are. Niggas getting out of hand till I raised the bar. Yeah, I took a few lumps, I don't easily scar. And after number 2, heard they tried to tar. But baby, I'm back. Now I see folks trying to sit where I sat. Shaking my head like shit is like that. And this is all facts. All factual, all actual.
Hello, Barbershop.
You calling me? Come on, I got your fucking number.
What?
You know what you're calling?
Excuse me, what you just say?
You don't want to fuck with us.
What? You gotta speak English, man. I don't understand what you're saying, man.
You know who you're fucking with? You know where you're fucking with?
Hold on. Slow it down. What you say?
You call at the wrong time fucking with the wrong person.
What you mean I called at the wrong time? Who are you? I don't even know who you are. I never even called your phone number. Who are you?
You know who you're fucking with? You know where you're fucking with?
Who are you talking to? Who are you?
What you say?
I never called your phone. What the hell are you talking about?
Whose place you fucking calling?
I didn't call your fucking place. Who you cursing at, man?
This is a fucking workplace, you cocksucker.
I called. Who you talking about? Somebody related to you? You talking about I called? What are you talking about? I don't understand.
What you fucking with me for? I'm doing my job, bro.
Your job? I didn't call your job.
What you fucking around with me for? I'm just here doing my job.
Brother, what are you talking about? Nobody called you, dog. What are you talking about?
We ain't scared of nobody, bro.
Hold on. What are you talking about? Nobody called you, man. What the fuck you talking about?
Go fuck your mother, bitch.
You ain't crazy, son. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, what's up, brother? What's going on?
You will go to fucking jail in a minute.
Alright, my bad. You know what? Wrong number. Sorry about that.
You calling me? Come on, I got your fucking number.
It's okay. God bless you, too. Have a good night.
You know what you're calling?
Yo.
Go fuck yourself, dirty ass
Yo,
bitch.
you want to talk to me, nigga? Fuck you talking about? So you want to talk to me? We can meet in person, nigga.
Faggot.
Yo, alright. We can meet in person, dog. You ain't got to be a telephone gangster, alright? We can meet in person. You want to meet right now?
Yeah.
Yo, alright, so where you want to meet at?
You know what you're calling?
Where you want to meet at?
This is the workplace.
Give me a fucking time and a place where you want to meet at, nigga.
Come over here.
Come over where?
This is the workplace, bitch.
What workplace? I don't know what the fuck workplace, nigga. I don't know you. You sound bitch made to me, motherfucker. Tell me where you at, son.
We ain't scared of nobody, bro.
Where? Now, hold on. Where you said you at?
I'm gonna let the police fucking trace what this fucking car called. We have a call ID.
Listen, dog, I don't even know who the fuck you are. Why are you coming? Why are you calling me and cursing me out? I don't know you from a hole in the fucking wall.
You're gonna come rob us?
Listen, I'm trying to talk to you as a man. I don't even know who you is, dog. I don't know who you are.
You know who you're fucking with? You know where you're fucking with?
Listen, let me ask you a question. Who are you?
Find out who I am, and find out who I work with, and find out where you're fucking calling, and then you'll change your fucking mind, bitch.
Yo, I never called you. Yo, you fucking getting reckless, nigga. You don't know who the fuck I am, dog. Yo, we can meet right now, motherfucker. I don't care.
The fucking police will be all over your ass.
The police will be all over my ass?
You're gonna go to fucking jail in a second.
Oh, I know who this is. You that bitch-ass cop, motherfucker. Well, you calling me off duty, and I don't give a fuck. I know FBI agents, motherfucker. I'm well connected, bitch-ass nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga? Anyway, you want to see me, you off duty. Bring your fucking bitch-ass pistol. Tell me where you at, motherfucker. That's all I want to know. And then call the motherfucking cops. I ain't scared, bitch.
Dirty-ass bitch.
Alright?
Cocksucker.
You don't know who you fucking with. Listen, whoever getting you into this, they need to tell you something. I'm well fucking connected. You're not fucking with just anybody, alright? I'm not no street nigga, alright? So get it correct, alright?
You know what you're calling?
Get it fucking correct.
What are you fucking around with me for? I'm just here doing my job.
Doing what job, man? I don't know who you are. I never called your phone. You're calling me from a payphone. I don't know who you are.
I'll give it to the boss tomorrow morning.
You going to see me tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
You going to You gonna? No. You gonna see me tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
Come through, man. I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Come through with your bitch ass badge too. Come through with your bitch ass badge and your bitch ass friends, cause I'm well connected, motherfucker. Come through.
Where am I?
Come through. All right, come through. That's it. I don't even know why I'm talking to you, little bitch ass.
Well, like my fucking faggot.
Oh, this nigga get me tired. Hold on. This nigga get me tired. I can't believe I'm having a conversation with another. Son, who are you, dog? Why the fuck you calling? We're closed. Why are you calling me? I don't know
who
you.
you're
I'm
fucking
calling
with. You know who you're
somebody
fucking
else.
with.
Let me ask you a question. Is the person I'm calling connected to you? That's what it
You know who
is?
you're fucking with. You know where you're fucking with.
Listen, the person I'm calling, is she connected to you? That's what it is?
I don't know no fucking body about you, so fuck you, bro.
Listen, man, yo, dog, I don't have no problems with you, dog. I don't even know why you going so hard, man.
You calling me, come on, I got your fucking number.
I don't have no problems with you. You call me cursing me out.
Come
Why
over
you
here.
call me cursing me out?
Come over here.
Tell me where to come and I'll be there.
Stupid ass.
Tell me where to come and I'll be there. You don't gotta
Dirty
tell me to come
bitch.
somewhere. Tell me where to come and I'll be there.
You're gonna come
I'll be
rob
there
us?
like Michael motherfucking Jackson, alright? Tell me where to come and I'll be there. Come on, you
Okay.
talk to somebody fucking real. I don't know who you are. I don't care who you are practically, but if you want me to come, I'll come. Give me the address and I'll be there.
Okay.
Give me the address. Where you at?
The fucking police will be all over your ass. The mother is a fucking whore.
Listen, I don't care if you're a police officer, dog. You calling me off duty, violating me. I got people in the fucking feds too I can call. I can make a phone call. You don't know who you talking to. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You hear the slang, but you don't know who the fuck I am, man.
The mother is a fucking
Chill out,
whore.
man. Chill out, man. Yo, listen, man. Where you at? I want the police to be on me. Where you at?
Fuck you, bro.
Where you at? Where you
Fuck
at?
you, bro.
Come on, man. Sitting here on the phone playing Thug Mansion and shit.
Hello?
Go fuck yourself.
No, this is not that guy you were just talking to. I'm over here. I'm running this barbershop, and I would like to know exactly what's going on with my employer and yourself.
You called at the wrong time, fucking with the wrong person.
Okay, I've been here all day, brother. Now, at what particular point of this day did my employee call you at the wrong time cursing you out?
What fucking number you talking about, bro?
Listen, bro, I'm a grown man trying to get to the bottom of it. I see two grown men on the phone cursing at each other out. Like, come on, you're not a female, he's not a female. Why are we arguing with men?
You don't want to fuck with us.
We're big men. Are we really arguing? Dude, you sound older than both of us. Like,
You want to bump
is it really a mature thing for you to call a place of establishment and curse them out?
Yeah.
Yeah, like, excuse the misunderstanding. You know what I mean? But I just want this conversation to be done with. We're not going to call you again. You know, this 1,000 number, I've never seen it in my life. I apologize. It was a mistake. My bad. I am sorry.
Who's speaking?
I am very sorry, sir.
Motherfucking where, bitch?
Yo, bruh, it's okay. It's okay. I forgive you. It's all right. It's called ignorance.
Motherfucker, quit talking shit and meet me somewhere. Bring any goddamn artillery you need, because I got plenty. Meet me somewhere.
Yeah, but, I mean, I witnessed the whole conversation. It seemed as if you called here cursing, and when I took the phone the first time, you was cursing me out, brother, and I'm telling you, God bless you. And
What's
you
your
cursing
fucking
me out.
name, bitch?
What happened?
What's your fucking name, bitch?
Dude, son, you the little nigga, man.
Who the fuck are you?